Hello students, today we start solving quadratic equation by formula. So we have traditional method which is called middle term breaking. So one sum I'll show you and why we need a formula. So here we go with exercise 5.3. We have two sum for today, ICSE 2020, ICSE 2019. So before I start the formula method, I'll tell you how we solve this by traditional method, and this too I will solve by formula method because this too cannot be solved by middle term breaking. So let us see how we have done till now by factorization and how factorization is not possible here. So let me show you the middle term breaking method. So what we do here in one, x square minus 5x plus 6 is 0. So what we do, we try to factorize it. So we break minus 5x into minus 2x and minus 3x. So we have x square, x you take common, minus 2 minus 3 x minus 2. So we take out x and we take out 3 and you see a minus 3x minus minus plus 6. So here x minus 2 we take out, x remains minus and 3. So here we see either, so what we see, product of two things is 0. So x minus 2 is 0 or x minus 3 is 0. So if any one of them is 0, you know children, 0 into anything is 0 or anything into 0 is 0. So either x is 2 or x is 3. So finally my answer is x is 2 or 3. So this is how generally we have done till now. But this two sums, you cannot break the middle term and get the factor. So hence we have formula where even one of our great Indian mathematician Sridharacharya also derived the same formula which I am going to use. So please pause the video and copy, then I'll solve these two questions by formula method. So here we go by solving ICSE, the very latest ICSE 2020 question. So let us see how we solve. So here, as I told you children, this cannot be broken into 2 and paired up to get a factor. So we have a formula which when you solve this, so what we will do, we have a standard form of quadratic equation called ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you compare this equation with the standard form. So x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we compare this with standard form. So what do we get children? A is, here nothing is, A is 1, B is minus 7 and C is 3. So once more we compare ax square plus bx plus c, standard form of quadratic equation, with my ICSE 2020 question. So what is coefficient of x square? It is called a. Coefficient of x square is 1. So a is 1. B is coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here? Minus 7. You have to take care of the sign. And c is a constant term which is 3. So that formula is given by x. So you saw c, we solve for x. And in quadratic equation we get two answers. Simple equation we get 1, quadratic 2, and cubic we get 3. That we will see in remainder factor theorem. in class 10. So x is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula, you have to mug it up. So once more you get x by minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let us see, we apply the formula to solve this question. So see, what do we get, children? Here is x is equal to minus b. See here, minus 7, which will become plus 7, plus minus root over b square. This is called discriminant. Next part we will see more about it. B square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4a, and if you see c is 3. So upon, so once more b, we put minus 7, b square minus 7 square, 4a is 1, c is 3 upon 2a, a is 1 upon 2a. So see, what do we get? 7 minus minus plus, plus minus root over minus square is plus, children, 49 minus 4 3s are 12 by 2 into 1. So we get 7 plus minus root over 37 by 2. If you reach here, up to here in ICSE, generally you are awarded 1 mark. Okay, so generally you have to reach this. So next, this you can get by table also and by traditional finding square root. So you can use table also, children, which I will teach you later on. So what we have here, we divide it into two parts. X, first I will take one sign, 7 plus, and root 37 is 6.082. So this you do by traditional method or by table. So 6.082 by 2. So there are two answers, children. Plus I take here, minus I will take this. So x is equal to 7 minus 6.082 by 2. So here I take plus and here I take minus. So what do we get? 13.082 by 2, and here we get your, when you subtract 0.918, you will get by 2. Subtract and see, you will get from 1082, if you subtract 918. So now you divide, 6 2s are 2 6 are 12, 1 remains 5, 1 comes here, 4 1, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, and here I have 4s are 1 5, and then another 1 9. And the question is saying find x, find f up to 2 dp. 2 decimal place means, children, 2 dp means 2 decimal place. So I have got 3 decimal place. So I will round it off to 2 decimal place. This is less than 5. So 6.54 is my one answer, and second answer is, this is more than 5, 4 6. So finally what you will write, x, as you can write in this 6.54 and 0.46. So this we have rounded off. This was more than 5, so it becomes 0.46, and this was less than 5, so this becomes 6.54. So this is how we have a formula, and then we substitute the value of a, b, c. We come to here, we get the root, and finally when you get both answer correct, you will be awarded the full mark. So please pause the video and copy, then I'll go to year 2019. So next we move on to ICSE 2019. Let us see compare this with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we compare it with standard form of quadratic equation. We get a as coefficient of x square, I told you, is 1. B is coefficient of x is minus 4, and c is constant term which is minus 8. So here we apply the formula x is minus b, it's plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let us see. Let us substitute minus b, minus minus 4. Minus is there in formula b. Plus minus, that's why we get two answers. Minus 4 square minus 4 a is 1 into c is minus 8. C is minus 8, I can put it in a bracket, divided by 2 into 1. A is 1. So now what do we get? 4 plus minus root over 16 minus minus plus 4 square is 16. 4 8s are 32 by 2. Now next, to get the first mark, children, if you reach here, generally you get 1 mark. Now root 48, there are two ways. Root 48 you find by traditional method, or there is one very easy way. What we do? We take 48's prime factor. So 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is 4 root 3. If you see, root over 48 is, this is easier method, because remember two things, when you are doing class 10 in any board, root 2 is 1.414 and root 3 is 1.732. They are very important for trigonometry, for mensuration, for quadratic equation, and many places. So these two I almost mug up, like you mug up this formula method of solving, because every time you cannot break the middle term to factorize. So from here what we do, one more step I go, 4 plus minus 4 root 3 by 2. Now let us see this part. So please copy, and then I will rub that part. So please copy, pause your video and copy. Then we will move towards the final answer to get full 3 marks, because ICSC this carries 3 marks. So here what I'll do, one more step. What I do, 4 I take common, 1 plus root 3 plus minus root 3. So still plus minus is there. Now I will divide it into 2. X, and here I will cancel. 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. 2 1 plus root 3. So this is finally what we have. 2 1 plus minus we should write nicely root 3. This is my answer, but you have to find it to 2 decimal place. So generally our answer should be up to 2 decimal place, and there is something called significant figure which I will tell you later. So this is 2 1 minus root 3. So once I take plus and one I take minus. So this is, I get x 2 1 plus 1.732. I substitute the value of root 3. So I have not found square root of 48 because I know square root of 3. So this is easier than finding square root of 48. So this is 2 into 2.732 732. And here if you go, x is 2, 1 minus 1.732, you get 2 into minus, because this will give you minus 0.732. Now let us multiply. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 1 carried, and this is 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Once more, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 1 carried, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. And here I have 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So this is what we get. But question is 2 decimal place. If you leave here, you will lose 1 mark, because I said 1 mark, you get up to here. Second mark generally when you find the value, and third mark for the correct answer. So this will be 5.46, because this is less than 5, 5.46. This is also less than 5, minus 1.46. So finally you write answer in middle term braces like this, middle bracket 46 and minus, remember minus 1.46. If both the answers are correct, then and only then you will get full marks. So this is your 2 answer. And finally, when you put this 2 answer in place of x, here in place of the question, what we have, x square minus 4x minus 8. If you put these 2 values, because we have taken root 3 value approximate, so this both the value of x will roughly give you equal to 0. Exact 0 will not get if you put, because 1.732 is an approximate value of root 3, because this is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So roughly when you put this, will give you in place of x 5.46 you put, or minus 1.46, it will give you very close value to 0, but not exactly. So please pause the video and copy. And last thing before I end, ML Agrawal exercise 5.3 has these all solved questions. So you will see 2003 is solved, 2004 is solved, 9 is solved, and 16 is solved for you. So please solve again, then you will understand the concept. So there are very good 4 solved example, and there are 4 unsolved. So 4 unsolved one you will see, they are 2000, so this is unsolved. Okay, and you have to solve 2018, 2006, 2011 and 2012. So 4 are solved for you. These are solved. Sorry, these are solved example and these are unsolved. So please solve the solved example 4 and then do unsolved 4, and I have already done 2. So if you do total 10, 2 mine you do, 4 solved you do, very good question in ML Agrawal's book, exercise 5.3, and 4 unsolved you do. Check the answer, and I hope and pray that you will be able to do it. So please try and practice. Thank you boys for watching.